So I'll just show you guys quickly on how to take off a VE Sunvisor out of the VE Commodore. So check to make sure the lights are working first, unhook it. Little screw head sometimes is a Phillips head or a T20 Torx head, so we'll just grab that now and we'll undo that. I'll put the camera down. Okay, with that screw out, well basically if it's a the one with the power that runs to the Sunvisor, you're going to have a cord here, so you just pull that out and there's a plug here, and you can just get a Phillips or flat edge screwdriver and just poke it in there to release that clip like that, and that's done. That's how you take off the Sunvisors. When you go to reinstall them, just make sure that that wire is always clear of any screws going back in, or you don't want to put any pressure of it going up against this metal, because if you do end up busting these wires, I think the lights end up staying on or they don't turn on at all. Something like that, you can get electrical issues. So you just make sure when you plug this bugger back up that it seats out of the way of everything, and especially where the screws go back into. That's basically it. Don't lose that little metal bracket. Sometimes they can fall out, but majority of the times they just stay seated. And once you plug this back in, you start by hooking that rear end part first in there, and then it just seats perfectly, and that's it.